Students, class 5th, subject science. I am your science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss according to given point already written is here. You will see assessment sheet 1. In this part we will discuss assessment sheet 1 with question answer, and second point already written. You will see now here introduction of lesson 4 pollination. Okay, my dear student, see the observe carefully. I will show to here. Yes, one by one. This is your assessment sheet, my dear student. You will see here fill in the blanks. You will see here. Yes, can the oxygenated blood, if you will see the empty space are here, fill with yes. Okay, arteries, can oxygenated blood be empty space? You will see now here the answer is fill, help in blood clotting. So, blood platelet help in blood clotting. Next you will see C sub part of question number 1, fill in the blanks. Unhealthy eating habit like a overeating can cause obesity. Yes, my dear student, you will see now observe, fill the correct answer as it you will write down in your yes book, textbook. D, yes, empty space, fill already given answer is the longest bone in the body. Femur is the longest bone in the body. You will see the E, yes, the backbone is made up of yes the empty space small bones. So, empty space you will fill according to given answer 33 small bones. Okay, the backbone is made up of 33 small bones. Next question number 2, you will see now here match the following. Yes, just like this is the part A and you will another part is B. Yes, column A, column B, you will see column A match to column B. Yes, should be write down as it the numbering given is here now, and in your copy should be write down yes particular answer in front of A column to B. Next is A, hinge joint. The answer is here. You will see here, my dear student, answer hinge joint you will see is here elbow. Okay, yes, my dear, match the B column elbow. RBC you will see here A column, B RBC you will see here now here match the B column hemoglobin. Yes, C wall and socket joint you will see the answer is shoulder. Where situated this type of joint? So, now here shoulder. Next you will see here D heart. Yes, my dear student, if you will see the here heart, the answer is here you will see the pump blood, B column pump blood. Yes, heart work just like a pump. Okay, you will see here E WBC, the answer is from the B column you will match yes is fight diseases. Okay, WBC, what the work of WBC is fight disease. Okay, fight disease against. Okay, you will see here. So, my dear student, question number 3rd, write true and false. The rib cage has 10 pair of carbon. Answer is yes, false. Okay, if the comment is here written is a wrong, so should be write down false. Is comment will be yes correct, should be write down true. So, answer is the rib cage has a 10 pair of carbon. Yes, the already false. Okay, so should be write down here false. Deficiency of vitamin C, the case very yes is also false. So, yes, you will see should write, you will write down false. Okay, so deficiency C, deficiency of iron case anemia. Yes, what is the means that now you will see deficiency of iron case anemia. Yes, this is the correct comment. So should we write down true. D, yes, spotting and fermentation are the healthy way of cooking food of eating. It is correct. Yes, really correct. So should we write down true, my dear student. E, you will see here the bone are the held together, the joint by tendons. Yes, this is also comment is correct. Should not correct. This comment also not correct. You should be write down false. The answer is yes. Even if you will see the given comment, read properly, comment will be wrong. Should be write down false, comment will be right. Should be write down true. So this comment bone and held together joined by the tendon, it is correct. No, it is false. Should be write down here false. Yes. Question number 4, you will see here, answer the following question. Okay, distinguish between the movable and immovable joint. Yes, my dear student, previously I had discussed last lesson number 2. Yes, my dear student, page number 19, question number A, answer. So yes, you will write down as it, but now yes, in this video already I have given the answer. Yes, 1 minute, wait for yes. Okay, yes, I will show to here. See the observe, my dear student. Yes, question number A. Yes, you will see. Yes, lesson number 2, page number 19, question number 4A. For a distinction between the mobile and immovable joint. The answer is here already written. You will see and check. Distinction between the mobile and immovable joint. The answer mobile joint, the allow movement of the bone. Yes. Immobile joint do not allow the movement of bone. Yes, movement will not be there. Okay, and yes, movable movement will be there. Yes, my dear child. See the observe. Yes, next. Yes, next question. Yes, you will see and check here. Yes, question number 4B. What is the malnutrition? The lesson number 3, page number 29, question number C, answer already given. Previously I had discussed. See the observe, my dear student. Next. Yes, answer is here written. Lesson number 3rd, page number 29, question number 4C, answer. The question number 4B answer is here written as read the just half. What is the malnutrition? You will see malnutrition is that yes, malnutrition is happen the due to the insufficient amount of protein and carbohydrate in the diet of the children. Okay, that condition. Okay, yes, my dear student, that the answer is very sufficient for you. You will write down as it in your book. Okay. Yes, I will repeat, the malnutrition happened due to the insufficient amount of protein and the carbohydrate in the diet of children. Okay, my dear student, you will see here, yes, and write down in your, my dear student, in your book. Okay, yes, a very sufficient answer should be write down as it in your book. Next, question number C. What are the deficiency of disease? You will see that disease case due to the lack of essential vitamin and minerals, okay, in a diet are called deficiency disease. Okay, my dear student, should be write down the proper answer in your book. Okay, yes, my dear student, already written is here. See, question number D, give the two difference between arteries and veins. Lesson number 1, previously I had discussed, page number 12, question number B, answer already given. See the observe. Yes, just like you will see, write down is here in your book, write down already. Yes, you will write down in your book, written is here, you will see and check in front of you. Question number 4, how are the arteries different from the veins? First point already written is here, arteries. Just like you will draw first of all a table, and then one side the artery should be write down and another side should be write down veins. Yes, first comment already written is here. They have thick wall. Arteries, they have thick wall. Veins, yes, you will see here. They have thin wall. Veins, they have thin wall. Thick and thin. Okay, yes, you will see here. Yes, next, what is the means about is thick and thin. Thin is smallest and thick is, yes, big, okay, in a size. You will see here, they are the carry blood. Arteries, they are carry blood away from the heart. What the happen here? It means that blood will come in every organ parts through the arteries. Okay, veins, the carry blood toward the hearts. Okay, so every organ back to heart. Okay, come back to the blood through the veins to heart. Okay, from organ. Next you will see here. Third, the blood contains the oxygen. Arteries, they blood contain oxygen, means oxygenated blood come out through the arteries every part. Okay, so it's mean the blood contain oxygen will be there in arteries. Okay, arteries, blood. Okay, already. Veins, you will see here. The blood does not contain oxygen. Deoxygenated blood go back to through the veins to heart. It's mean blood oxygen will not be there in a blood if blood will be inside veins. Okay, so yes, my dear students, see the observe. Question number now for the fourth point are here written. The blood, arteries is a bright color. Arteries always bright color because the oxygen blood will be there red color. You will see here veins, the blood in veins is dark in color. You will see the watch on your hand, blue color, veins will be there, the lot of the, yes. So you will see the easily observe. Okay, yes. So this is the sufficient answer for you. Should be write down in your, yes, book, yeah, anywhere. Yes, you will write down in your copy, science copy. See the observe. Next question. Yes, how can you take care the bone of joint? You will see here. Yes, my dear student, we can take care of the bones and joint by the regular exercise and, yes, my dear student, okay, having calcium rich diet. So if you will take the more calcium, yes, so better for your bone of your body, and exercise must always you will take the regular exercise for better fitness of your body. Thank you, my dear student. You will see the this given the answer as that you will complete. Okay, my dear student, in your, okay, first of all your book, and long question should be write down in your copy. Yes, thanks to all. You will see. Next, in this video we will discuss introduction. Also is here lesson number 4, pollination. Yes, what is the means about the pollination, my dear student? You understand? Yes, you will see in given video. Yes, let us of barn given below and picture the some parts of flower thick, the parts of, yes, produce the seed and help in reproduction. Already have you seen, my dear student, in this video? It's very important. Yes, some part are here. One part is here, you will see pedicel, have you seen? Next is here written, and draw also picture and written also in your book. You will see petals, okay, colorful parts of the plant. Next one you will see here already written in your book. See the observe carefully. This is pistil, the other name is gynoecium. Yes, colorful parts already. Yes, here showing this. Yes, we will say this is the gynoecium. Yeah, other name is pistil. We will say, and now thalamus. Okay, yeah, we'll say thalamus. Now the gynoecium, yeah, pedicel. You will see the three parts also inside will be there: ovary, style, stigma. Okay, and supporting part. This is supporting part. If in every flower you will see that basically two parts. One is pedicel, another thalamus. Okay, so you will see here this the part is a thalamus parts, and inside we will see and we will say gynoecium, yeah, pistil. Next is you will see here, yes, stem. Okay, stem with the leaf. Yes, supporting part of flower. You will see also the lot of flower also given is here. Yes, my dear student. So first of all you will observe the given picture. Yes, one is the pedicel, another is petal. Yes, brightly colored parts attract the insect and protect the flower. Okay, protect inner reproductive organ of the flower. Next, third is, do you understand gynoecium? Yes, the sub part already here. Yes, style, stigma, sepal, style, ovary, stigma. Okay, and ovule also. You will see. Next, fourth part already, stem with the leaf, supporting part of flower. See the observe, my dear student. You will observe and write down yourself. Should be write down the underline and write down the name. Yes. Next, you will see here. Read on. Flower is the most beautiful, brightly colorful parts. Okay. So now we will see in this paragraph, flower is the most beautiful, brightly colored part of plant. It can be sweet smell. It is also the reproduction organ is the most plants. It help is formation of the seed and fruit. Flower are very colored shape and size. So you will see a lot of the flower already given is here. One is rose, sunflower, jasmine, viscous, dahlia. You will see. So what is the means about here? So if you will see the any flower, just like is sunflower, you will see here. It is very colorful and brightness color, already colored part. Okay. Yes, my dear student, petals also. And what is the roles of this colorful parts? Yes, attract insect and protect the reproductive organ of flower. Yes, if any insect will come, so what happens that? Yes, attraction. One is the attraction and another one is protect the inner reproductive parts. So two function are also here of this parts of flower. You will see mostly. Okay. Yes. One is the इसको protect करता है, another one is ये insect जो है वो pollination में helpful होते हैं, तो that is very must. Okay. Yes. You will see now here the role of these parts. Next you will see here another one. Yes, parts of flower. We will discuss here so many parts of flower now here. One is part of flower. Basically, if you will see now here, yes, any flower. Basically, two parts. Okay, one is the. Have you seen the one flower is here? I will show to here. Yes, yes. This is your flower. Okay, you will see the divide into two parts. One is the upper part. This is first part downside. This is pedicel. Okay, if you will see pedicel. Another one is second part. Yes, this is upper part. This part. Second part we will say here thalamus. Okay, my dear student. If you will see any flower divided into two parts. One is the first part is pedicel. Second part is thalamus. Okay. So now here we will discuss first part. First of all, pedicel is stalk of the flower called the pedicel. Connect with the stem with the leaf. Okay. This parts. Okay. Next is second part. You will see here. It is the uppermost of the pedicel that the solen hold the four holes of flower. The four holes are basically four parts already attached with this part. You will see here. Second part we will observe. One is now here sepal. You will see here one is sepal. Second part, this second part we will discuss now here, sepal. Okay, they are the green leaf structure protected the flower during that the bud stage. जब फ्लावर है बर्ड स्टेज में होती है कली, जस्ट लाइक यू विल सी द बर्ड्स, तो दैट टाइम वो क्या करती है, यस इस पार्ट्स को प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द अनदर वन. ओके यस, सो यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट, ओके दे फॉर्म द आउटर मोस्ट द होल्स ऑफ द फ्लावर. ओके सी द ऑब्जर्व लाइक ए स्ट्रक्चर माय डियर स्टूडेंट. सो नेक्स्ट यू विल सी हेयर sepal. Okay, and next you will see we will say again sepal. Okay, the protect the flower during the bud stage. This type of structure supporting to, yes you will see one and another also. Next, yes petals. Second is petals. You will see the observe. They are the bright colored. You will see here bright colored and hold the next in sepal. They are attract insect and protect the inner reproductive organ of the flower. Yes, see next you will see here my dear student. Another two part. One is the stamen. You will see here already. Have you seen the anther? Okay, now anther filament. Okay, anther filament also here the subpart name also written. So we will say stamen या endoecium, yes just like the structure you will see. Yes, so now it is the third holes of the, basically third parts. The holes of the flower are the male reproduction parts, consist of the filament and vilobed, and we will anther contain the pollen grain. Yes, inside will be there pollen grain. Next you will pistil. For is you will see here, yes for part is we will say gynoecium, pistil, or otherwise other name is gynoecium. Yes, if you will see inside basically three sub part. It is the fourth holes of the flower and it is the center of the flower. It is female reproductive parts. There are basically three sub parts also inside will be there. So will be there. Now if you will see, observe carefully, stigma, style, ovary and ovules. Okay my dear student, we will see the third part already here. If you will see the observe the given picture, see the observe. Okay, see the observe my dear student. Thanks to all. In given video we will discuss the remaining parts of this video next time. Lesson number 4. See the observe. I will come in front of you my dear students. See the observe. Yes. So I hope all of you focus on, yes, the given topic properly, read and observe, yes, in your book also, and now given parts in this I had discussed in given video. So you will observe carefully. Thanks to my dear student. Thanks to all. Take care. Thanks to all.